Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is disease obesity, its causes, effects and treatment. So let's start. Obesity is a disease in which a person has too much body fat. It happens when a person's body weight becomes higher than what is healthy. Obesity is becoming a common health problem in many countries. It can affect children, teenagers, and adults. The main cause of obesity is eating more calories than the body uses. People who eat a lot of fast food and sugary drinks are more likely to become obese. Lack of physical activity is another major cause. When people do not exercise, the extra energy turns into fat in the body. Genetics can also play a role in obesity. Some people gain weight easily because of their family history. Stress and emotional problems can also lead to overeating. Many people eat more food when they feel sad, bored, or worried. Lack of sleep can also increase the risk of obesity. Spending too much time watching television or using mobile phones reduces physical activity. Eating large portions of food regularly can also cause weight gain. All these factors together can lead to obesity over time. Obesity has many harmful effects on human health. It increases the risk of serious diseases like diabetes and heart disease. People with obesity may develop high blood pressure. It can also cause breathing problems and sleep difficulties. Obesity puts extra pressure on bones and joints. This can lead to pain in knee, back, and hips. People with obesity may feel tired quickly and have low energy. It can also affect a person's confidence and mental health. Some people may feel shy, stressed, or depressed because of their body weight. Obesity can also affect daily life activities. Simple tasks like walking, running, or climbing stairs become difficult. Children with obesity may find it hard to play sports or take part in physical activities. Over time, obesity can reduce the quality of life. It may also shorten a person's lifespan if not controlled. That is why it is important to prevent and treat obesity earlier. Treatment of obesity usually starts with healthy lifestyle changes. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is very important. People should eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They should reduce the intake of fast food, oily food, and sugary drinks. Drinking enough water is also helpful. Regular exercise help burn extra calories and reduce body fat. Activities like walking, running, cycling, and swimming are very useful. Doctors may also guide people about proper diet and exercise plans. In some cases, medicines may be prescribed to help control weight. For severe obesity, doctors may suggest special medical treatments or surgery. Family support and encouragement are very helpful for people trying to lose weight. Good habits like regular sleep, stress control, and active living also help manage obesity. Obesity is a serious health problem, but it can be prevented and treated. Healthy eating, regular exercise, and a balanced life are the best ways to stay fit. Everyone should understand the causes, effects, and treatments of obesity. Taking care of our health today helps us live a longer, happier, and healthier life.